moved these surfaces into 2 new layers and hide them, as well as the rest except for these circles and this line. Hide. So let's focus on this area. This part is kind of confusing, so I will try to do it to reach the same as this picture. Try to follow the same steps, but I guess we will need to elaborate. Now we're going to make a line like this one with 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters, holding the shift key and enter. With interpolate curves, interpolate point from the quad, snap to the quadrant, and the end of this new created point, curve, and quadrant. Now I'm going to trim this part, and we want to reach this shape at the end, to the inner. So this is our end. So offset 2 millimeters to the inside, and this should be moved from the top as the tutorial steps. Before that, we need to offset the half arch, and we need to move the inner inner circle by 2 millimeters right from top view. Will be the thickness of our shell. Yeah, we need to still do that manually. Okay. I'm not sure about 2 millimeters right from the top view. Right. This means like 2. I guess not, because this does not give us the same result as the picture. It is not the same result at all. It is not intersecting. This is not the same outcome. I guess we have to move it the other direction, -2. Going to revolve this. This is the axe. Full circle. This is another method. We'll do the same thing. Full circle. Now we have 2 surfaces. Came up with the same result, but using revolve, not sweep one. We'll make little holes on the rear right viewport, ellipse right viewport, ellipse 5 by 2.5, rotated 45 degrees to position like the image. Ellipse 5 and 2.5, and rotate it 45 like the image. This is the mirror of this, so I'm going to -45. Okay. Using array polar, make an array 24 holes. Naturally, the center would be the same center of the circle of surfaces. Array polar from the same center. Going to snap to the center, and 24 holes. Okay, these are big. then I'm going to make it smaller. It's fine. Ray color from the center, 24. Good. Next, using copy and paste, duplicate those 24 ellipses using scale, shrink them. You have 5 rows of 24 ellipses, each row smaller than the previous. كده. 1 2 3 4 5. Group and copy, paste, and let's make it smaller. Same, copy, paste, smaller. Copy, paste, smaller. كده 1 2 3 4 and copy paste the last and smaller. Good. And select these two surfaces, trim, the extrusions, trim the extrusions. Again, select these squares and it's going to take a while.